This is probably the most simple sandwich that you can make, but I think it's because of its simplicity that it's so amazing. We just need this ingredient and basically we only have to cut them. Oxheart tomatoes, one of my favorite, mozzarella, basil pesto, aceto balsamico di Modena, and our fantastic ciabatta. I have already cut the fresh mozzarella because I made another video earlier, the ciabatta with prosciutto and artichoke. Go to check out also that because it's... Let's just take our tomato and we cut in slice. Not too thin. Let's cut our ciabatta. Remove a bit of crumb. That's it. These are the ingredients. Mozzarella, tomatoes, basil pesto, homemade. Go to check my trophy with the homemade pesto. There you will see how I make it. And aceto balsamico di Modena. Super simple, but guys, it's a masterpiece. At the base, let's put our homemade pesto. Tomato slice. Now we add a pinch of salt, some black pepper, dry oregano, a bit of olive oil. On top, the mozzarella. Aceto balsamico di Modena. And now we close. A final passage. Let's put the sandwich into the toaster or make it crunchy and warm. Look at this. These are really the color of Italy. Guys, this is my ciabatta caprese. You should try because it's definitely not too bad. Ciao!